It is the 21st of August 2026, and this is today's Portuguese A0 to A1 beginner class from LinguaWIRE, made from real news stories. This class is a podcast and a video lesson, both on linguawire.com, linked below.
Today's main story is about Coinbase's boss backing a new crypto law in the United States. First, here are 3 other stories from today's front page, and all of them can be read on linguawire.com.
First, Liverpool, clube de Inglaterra, tem proposta de 50 milhões rejeitada.
Liverpool, the club from England, has a $50 million bid rejected. Proposta is a useful word for an offer or bid. Here it is a football bid, not a suggestion in a meeting. Football transfers always sound more dramatic when they start with a number.
Next, advogado do namorado de Hayden Panettiere fala na investigação no ZEUA.
The boyfriend's lawyer of Hayden Panettiere speaks in the investigation in the US. Falar means to speak. It is a very common verb, and you can hear the familiar R ending in the infinitive.
And passageiros da TUI River Cruises no Reino Unido falam de barcos com falhas.
Passengers on TUI River Cruises in the UK talk about boats with faults. Ar-condicionado means air conditioning. In Portuguese, it is a fixed phrase with 2 words, and the stress falls on condai.
Now time for today's main story. Here is today's headline. Brian Armstrong, CEO da Coinbase, apoia nova lei cripto no seu apoia. Now say it out loud yourself and see how much you already understand. Brian Armstrong,
CEO
da Coinbase,
CEO of Coinbase,
apoia
backs
nova lei cripto
new crypto law
no seu.
in the US.
Notice how Portuguese often uses a simple present tense in headlines, even when the story itself is about something that happened on Thursday.
Everything from here is also written out on today's lesson sheet.
A votação no Senado está marcada para setembro.
The vote in the Senate is scheduled for September.
A lei quer regras mais claras para as criptomoedas.
The law wants clearer rules for cryptocurrencies. Regras is the plural of regra, the adjective. Claras agrees with the plural noun, so both words end in as.
Ela também quer dar mais proteção aos consumidores.
It also wants to give consumers more protection.
Armstrong disse que muitas pessoas comuns têm sido prejudicadas.
Armstrong said that many ordinary people have been hurt. That is a strong complaint in a short sentence.
Ele disse também que a lei pode evitar outro colapso como o da FTX.
He also said that the law could prevent another collapse like FTX's. Evitar means to avoid or prevent. It is a useful verb when talking about stopping a problem before it happens.
Now for the verb of the day, apoiar. In English, that means to support, to back. Here it is in the present tense. Eu apoio. Tu apoias. Ele, ela apoia. Nós apoiamos. Vós apoiais. Elas apoiam. The headline uses apoia.
Here's a normal everyday example. Eu apoio o meu amigo. In English, I support my friend.
One last time at full speed. Brian Armstrong, CEO da Coinbase, apoia a nova lei cripto no ZBOA. Now you... Before you go, one question from today's story. O que a lei quer criar para as criptomoedas?
That is, what does the law want to create for cryptocurrencies? Okay, asks about a thing. In speech, people often add AK. Here it is in everyday Portuguese. O que fazes no sábado? What are you doing on Saturday?
Is it A, regras mais claras, mais barcos, or C, novo jogador?
Think about it. Well done, that is today's class. Sign up for free on linguawire.com to get the lesson sheet with extended vocab and grammar for this episode, a 3-question quiz to check your understanding, and to subscribe for free to get each episode delivered every morning to your inbox, so you build a learning habit. For accelerated learning, enrolled learners get a personalized interactive lesson delivered to their digital classroom each day. The link is with this episode. See you tomorrow.